Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Surbi and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we are going to talk about face masks. I'm going to share with you all my favorite face masks that actually work. If you want that instant glow and radiance on your face, do watch this video. So I'm going to share with you all 2 face masks, plus I'll also be sharing with you all a homemade mask that works like magic. Now, if you want to know how to make it and how to use it, do watch this video till the end. So now, without any delay, let's get started with this video. So this is the first face pack and it's the Blossom Couture Aroma Magic Insta Radiance Green Tea Pack. Now just look at the packaging first. It looks so pretty, so beautiful, and it goes well with the main ingredient of this face pack, which is green tea. It retails for Rs 395 and you get 100 grams of the product. I like the tube packaging because it's pretty convenient and hygienic. Now this face pack has green tea and carrot extract in it, which provides you with that instant beautiful glow, and that also reduces the signs of aging and fine lines on your face. It also has jojoba oil, aloe vera gel, bee wax, fruit enzymes, orange and lime essential oils. Now tell me, what else do you need to make your skin glow from within? Also, this product is 100% parabens, harsh chemicals, alcohol, artificial fragrance and color free. It says that it's for all skin types, and I've been using this product for months, and you only need 2 point size for your cheeks and 2 pea size for your chin and for your forehead of this product to spread it on your face. The consistency of this product is neither too thick and nor too runny. The pack is white in color and it has shiny pearl-like dust particles in it that makes the face pack shine. But the thing is that those particles are sifted so nicely that you do not feel it on your face when you apply it. So you need to keep this mask on your face for 15 to 20 minutes, and once it gets dried down, you just need to rinse it off with normal water. I have dry skin and my experience with this product has been amazing. I just need to apply my regular moisturizer after it and I'm sorted. If you're looking for a budget face mask that makes your face glow from within, then you must try this product. So the next product that I'm going to talk about is just like a sheet mask but in powder form. So it is by Glamveda and it is from their Velvet Mask series. So you get this product in this sheet mask like packaging in which you have powder and you can use it for only one time. You get 25 grams of the product for 180 rupees, which you might feel is a bit too much, but trust me, you have to try this product for at least once. It is just amazing. It works like magic on your skin. So this mask claims that it reveals fairer, radiant and hydrated skin, and it is designed for dull and prematurely aging skin. I have used this mask before and it does what it claims. Unlike the Aroma Magic mask, it leaves your skin with a very nice cooling effect after its use. The radiance it provides remains on your face for next couple of days, and I'm saying that from my personal experience. So it is basically a rubber mask. If you have seen one being used in parlors that covers your whole face including your eyes and your lips. So you get powder in this face mask, and what you need to do, you just have to mix it in water and apply a thick layer of the mask on your face. Now I would suggest you to lie down on your bed and ask someone else to apply it on your face. When I apply this mask, I do not apply it on my eyes and on my nostrils, obviously. Apply this face mask as quickly as possible because it tends to get dried up very soon. Once it dries down, just peel it off and apply your favorite moisturizer. Believe me, you're going to love this face mask. I purchased both the masks from Nykaa and you can easily get them on a good discount always. So now I'm going to tell you about that homemade face mask and the application for the same. So for the homemade mask, you need 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of wheat flour, that is atta, 2 teaspoon yogurt, that is dahi, 1 teaspoon honey and some water to mix it all well. I have dry skin, that is why I used yogurt. If you have normal skin, replace yogurt with raw milk. And if you have oily skin, mix 1 teaspoon of raw milk with 1 teaspoon of rose water. And this is how it looks.
Make sure that you have cleansed your face before applying this mask and there is nothing on your face. Now apply the mask for 15 to 20 minutes. This mask helps in getting back the glow onto your skin, and continuous application removes skin tan. Apply this mask at least once in a week, and if you have tan skin, then twice a week. Once you feel that the mask is drying and pulling your skin a bit, dip your fingers in water and start rubbing it off in circular motions. Once you feel that most of the mask has come off, rinse your face with normal or cold water. Apply any moisturizer that you use. For best results, I would recommend you to use it at night before going to bed.
So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoy the content, and if you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next week. Until then, bye bye.